All right, we're going to show how to set up our little FPV camera with the receiver on an Android device. So you'll need to grab the USB cable out of their kit that either has the micro to C or the micro to micro, depending on which phone you're using or tablet you're using. We're going to plug that in to here. We'll thread on both of the antennas. You want to make sure that they're just finger tight. You don't want to break off the SMA connector off of the PCB inside of there. And then we will have our app open. We'll plug in our device here. Depending on what app you're using, click connect the camera, click OK, and it's going to go to the screen here. We've got our flight controller and our power module, and then with our camera, we're going to remove the lens cap, the dust cover. We'll plug this in. On the input side, I'd put pin 8, since we are only using 6 channels for the radio in here. And then we can power this with our battery. Once this is powered on, we can press and hold the right button here until that pops up on the menu here, and it's going to actually start scanning the channels. And then once it starts to scan the channels, it'll move across. It'll go, okay, well, that was the most clear picture we've got. It's going to go all the way around through and back to the other channels. And then it's going to pick the clear channel, and then you've got it paired. So on this guy here, you can see we're in channel 8. It tells us the channel numberings on this, and then we can see our video. And then if you want to as well, you can change the channels on here. There's a little button up on top here. We can cycle through the channels. And then we should be able to press and hold this button to scan. So you can see that channel is coming through fine. It'll tell you what the frequency of the channel is as well. So if you have multiples of these, you can assign these to all the different channels, and then the receivers will match to pick up the channel for the camera.